Are you ready to turn your passion into profit and share your knowledge with the world? Discover how to become a successful online course creator with our step-by-step guide. Picture this: waking up to emails of students raving about your course and seeing your bank account grow while you sip your morning coffee. Intrigued? Let's make that dream a reality. Think about what sets your soul on fire and what you could talk about for hours. That's your golden ticket to becoming a course creator. Connect with your audience. Hop on social media, join forums, and chat with your audience. Get to know their burning questions and deepest desires. Craft your course content. Time to get creative. Map out your course journey, sprinkle in some fun activities, and voila, you've got yourself a course. Pick your platform. Shop around for the perfect platform that suits your style and needs. It's like finding the perfect pair of shoes, but for your course. Bring your content to life. Lights, camera, action. Grab your camera or smartphone and let's create some magic. Your students are waiting. Spread the word. Time to shout it from the rooftops. Blast those emails, hit up your socials, and let the world know about your awesome course. Engage like a pro. Get cozy with your students. Chat with them, answer their burning questions, and watch your community grow. You did it! You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to rock the online course world. Get out there and start changing lives. Ready to take the plunge? Click "Let's Get Started" to begin your journey. And don't forget to subscribe us for more tips, tricks, and behind-the-scenes fun.